Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your kit for your club. So I made this video is for beginner or new into this game. And previously this game is FIFA Mobile. But right now, new season, new update, it becomes FC EA Sports FC Mobile 24, and it's all in all console. Also, there is no FIFA anymore. It becomes EA Sport FC. So let's get started by tapping the club button. Currently, I'm using Ajax team. Go to the locker room. And this one, there are some options here like crash, user logo, ball, emotes, kit number, and appearance. Tap the kit, and as you can see, there are two right now that you can use. And you can use or you can change the kit by playing more, like in the quest, like a challenge, or even a league. And you can get some more from events. So like now is only by default by the based on the crest or based on the badge you choose in this option crest. So I choose Chelsea, maybe no Manchester United. Tap select, and also the kit is become Manchester United. And this is by default FC Mobile. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.